Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here we are in Dakar, Senegal, and I am standing outside our 10-ton body capacity cubite plant. Let me take the camera and walk around the cubite plant. Okay. Here is the outside, and we can see the cooling unit of the cooling of the cold ice storage room. And the water cooling tower is located on the top of the building. Okay, let's go inside. The workers are waiting for the ice to come out. So this is the ice room. It has two doors. We will make a video to show the inside later. Let's keep walking. So this is the 10-ton per day capacity cubite machine. And this is the ice packing area, a hopper. The hopper is big enough to collect all the ice made in one batch. This is the 10-ton per day capacity cubite machine. It has been here for 2 years. This is the compressor. It's a 30 horsepower compressor. This is the model. It's a 30 horsepower compressor. One 30 horsepower compressor is big enough for our 10-ton per day capacity cubite machine. That is a very power saving, and the power saving technology can greatly increase the profits of the ice plant. Later, we will make a video to show the ice flow, and we will make a video here to show the teamwork of ice packing. It's very efficient. Like it's more efficient than one automatic ice packing machine. Well, this is in Africa. Everything should be African style. Check the inside of the ice room. That is the air cooler. We can see so many ice package ready for delivery while it's freezing.